Hello students, how are you? Recently we have noticed that railway and SSC asking too many questions on trigonometry, especially typical type of questions. In this video, I will try to give some tricks so that you can easily solve this within a second. Let us start the video. What will be maximum value of 2 cos square theta plus 3 sin square theta? We need both maximum and minimum value. Maximum and minimum value. 2 cos square theta plus 3 sin square theta. Now maximum value will be 2 and 3. Between 2 and 3, which one is maximum? 3. 3 is greater, so your answer will be 3. Between 2 and 3, which is less? 2 is less, so minimum value will be 2. Another, suppose 4 sin square theta plus 5 cos square theta. What will be maximum value? Between 4 and 5, 5 is more than 4, so maximum will be, which one is more? 5 is more, so 5 is greater than 4, so your answer will be 5 for maximum, and for minimum 4. What is the reason behind it? You should learn the technique. Now we can write 2 cos square theta plus 3 sin square theta equal to 2 into, we know cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta plus 3 sin square theta. After simplification, we will have 2 plus sin square theta. 3 sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta reduces to sin square theta. So 2 cos square theta plus 3 sin square theta equal to 2 plus sin square theta. We know sin theta more than equal to minus 1, less than equal to 1. So sin square theta being a square, always positive. It will take positive value. So sin square theta more than equal to 0, less than equal to 0. So this will be minimum when sin square theta takes minimum value. That is why its minimum value equal to 2 plus 0 equal to 2. So minimum value of this equal to 2. Again, maximum value of sin square theta 1. So this is minimum value, and maximum value, it will take maximum value when sin square theta be maximum. Maximum value of sin square theta 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. So maximum value equal to 3. So we can easily say its maximum and minimum value by observing the sum. 4 sin square theta plus 5 cos square theta. Maximum will be 5. Which one is more? 5 more. So our answer will be 5. And minimum value will be 4. This is trick 1. T1 means trick 1. Next trick. Suppose 3 cos square theta plus 4 sin theta equal to 5 given. What will be value of tan theta, sin theta, cos theta? When 3 square plus 4 square, if 3 square plus 4 square be equal to 5 square, 9 plus 16, 25, 25 equal to 5 square. In that case, we need no calculation. Write simply tan theta equal to coefficient of sin. Tan means sin by cos. Now coefficient of sin 4, just put 4 by cos, coefficient of cos 3. So tan theta equal to 4 by 3. Now what will be value of sin theta? Coefficient of sin 4, this 5, so sin theta will be 4 by 5. Cos theta, coefficient of cos 3, right hand side, the term remaining right hand side 5, so our answer will be 3 by 5. And let us try another one. Suppose we are given 40 sin theta plus 9 cos theta equal to 41. Another 5 cos theta plus 12 sin theta equal to 13. What will be value of cot theta? What will be value of cos theta? What will be value of sin theta? First try yourself. What is the reason behind it? First we need to calculate, we need to check whether 40 square plus 9 square be equal to 41 square. We know this equal to 1600, this equal to 81. So sum of square of these two coefficient 1681. Again 41 square also 1681. So we can apply the method discussed earlier. Before writing, you have to be sure that coefficient of sin theta square plus coefficient of cos theta square should be equal to square of right hand term remaining right hand side. Similarly, coefficient of cos theta for next sum 5, find sum of square of cos theta and sin theta. Its coefficient 5 and coefficient of sin theta 12. Their sum will be 169. Now 13 square also 169. So we can apply our method. What is the method? Cot theta. We have to find cot theta. Cot theta equal to cos by sin. Now coefficient of cos. Cot theta equal to cos by sin. So we need coefficient of cos. Coefficient of cos 9 by sin. Coefficient of sin 40. So cot theta equal to 40. Now cos theta. Cos theta. Cos theta equal to base by hypotenuse. Now cos theta means coefficient of cos by term remaining right hand side 41. Similarly sin theta equal to coefficient of sin 40 by term remaining in right hand side 40 by 41. So what will be value of sec theta? Sec theta is just reciprocal of cos theta. So sec theta will be 41 by 9. If we are asked to find cosec theta will be reciprocal of sin theta. So cosec theta will be 41 by 40. What will be tan theta? Tan theta is just reciprocal of cot theta. So tan theta will be 40 upon 9. For the next sum, cot theta equal to, for this cot theta equal to cot nothing but cos upon sin. Coefficient of cos 5, coefficient of sin 12. So cot theta equal to 5 upon 12. Next cos theta. Coefficient of cos 9 by 41. Sin theta equal to coefficient of sin 40 by 41. So this is tricks 2. Second tricks. Now we will discuss tricks number 3. Third tricks. A square cos square theta plus b square sec square theta or a square tan square theta plus b square cot square theta or a square sin square theta plus b square cosec square theta. In each case, minimum value will be equal to twice AB. For each of the 3 cases, minimum value will be twice AB. How will you prove it? We have formula AM of certain number. AM means arithmetic mean. greater than equal to GM. GM means geometric mean. We need arithmetic mean of this and this. What will be arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean means sum divided by number. So a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta by 2, it will be their arithmetic mean. Now geometric means product a square cos square theta plus into b square sec square theta. There are two terms, so in power write 1 by 2. Arithmetic means sum divided by number. Geometric mean take product of these two numbers. Power will be half, as there are only two terms. If there are three terms, we have to write 1 by 3. Now cos square theta sec square theta 1, cos square theta into sec square theta 1. So a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta by 2 greater than equal to a square b square, power half. Why? We know sec theta equal to 1 by cos square theta cancel each other. Therefore a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta greater than equal to, transposing 2 here, 2ab. So this is greater than equal to twice ab. So its minimum value will be 2ab, but we can't forecast its maximum value. Similarly, we can derive a square tan square theta plus b square cot square theta for a square tan square theta plus b square cot square theta, minimum value also twice ab. Now what will be minimum value of 16 cos square theta plus 25 sec square theta? If you notice these three theorems, you will have some idea about the nature of the terms. We are taking cos and its reciprocal. Cos, and this is cos square theta and sec square theta, cos square theta and sec square theta. This is sin, cos and sec, reciprocal of cos sec, reciprocal of tan cot, reciprocal of sin cosec. So this is cos, this is sec. So its minimum value will be twice ab. Now a square equal to 16, b square equal to 25, a square equal to 16, a equal to 4, b square equal to 25, so b will be 5. So minimum value twice ab, 2 into 4 into 5, 40. What will be minimum value of 4 tan square theta plus 9 cot square theta? 4 tan square theta plus 9 cot square theta. Now a square equal to 4, a square equal to 4 and b square equal to 9. So a equal to 3, a equal to 2, b equal to 3. So minimum value twice ab, 2 into a into b equal to 2 into 2 into 3 equal to 12. So minimum value of this equal to 12. Next, tricks 4. A sin theta plus b cos theta equal to given c. Then a cos square b sin theta minus a cos theta will be equal to plus minus a square plus b square minus c square. We can easily prove it. How? Squaring and adding these two. Suppose we need 3, we are given 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta equal to 4 cos theta equal to 2. What will be value of 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta? What will be its value? By applying this, we can write easily a square. A mean 4, 3 square plus 4 square minus 2 square. 3 square plus 4 square minus 2 square. 25 minus 4 plus minus root 21. Prove this formula. Suppose this equal to x. We are given a sin theta plus b cos theta equal to c. Now let this equal to b sin theta minus a cos theta equal to x. Squaring and adding. If we square it, a square sin square theta add to b square sin square theta. Sin square theta common, a square plus b square, 2ab cancel each other, plus 2ab sin theta cos theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta. So this will come out plus minus root a square plus b square minus c square. Next, tricks 5. Find value of sin 20, sin 60, sin 80, sin 40 degree. Number 1. Number 2, cos 10 degree, cos 70 degree, cos 50 degree, cos 60 degree. How will you find value of this within a second? Remember this formula: sin A sin 60 plus A sin 60 minus A equal to 1 by 4 sin 3A. How will you prove it? Right, sin A into sin A plus B, sin A cos B, root 3 by 2 cos A plus cos A sin B half sin A into sin A cos B, root 3 by 2 cos A minus half sin A. Take half common, half into half, 1 by 4 sin A. This will be root 3 cos A plus sin A into root 3 cos A minus sin A. A plus B, A minus B, A square 3 cos square A minus sin square A, 1 by 4 sin A, 3 cos square A equal to 3 minus 3 sin square A minus sin square A minus 4 sin square A. If we multiply it by sin A, this will take the form 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A, which is equal to sin 3A. So 1 by 4 sin 3A. So we have proved this into this equal to 1 by 4 sin 3A. Now we will apply it to solve question number 1. Sin A plus B, sin A cos B, sin 60 root 3 by 2, cos 60 half, A plus B, A minus B, A square minus B square. Now we have splitted cos square A into 1 minus sin square A, so 3 minus 3 sin square A minus sin square A, 4 sin square A, then multiplied by sin A, 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A, sin 3A. So this equal to 1 by 4 sin 3A. Now if A be 20, let A equal to 20, then sin 20 into sin 60 plus 20, sin 60 minus 20, sin 60 same. Now it is compare it to it. Sin A, sin 60 plus A, sin 60 minus A. So this will be 1 by 4 sin 3A, 3A, A means 20 into sin 60. Sin 60 into sin 60, sin square 60, value of sin 60 root 3 by 2. So this equal to 3, 2 square 4, 4 into 4, 16. Sin 20 into sin 60 plus A, sin 60 minus A equal to 1 by 4 sin 60. Sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2. It is also sin 60, so root 3 by 2 whole square, 3 by 4 into 4, 16. So our answer will be 3 by 16. Similarly, cos A into cos A into cos 60 plus A into cos 60 minus A will be 1 by 4 cos 3A. 1 by 4 cos 3A. Now A means 10. So cos 10, cos 70, cos 50, cos 10, cos 70, cos 50. For first three terms we have formula 1 by 4 cos 3A, cos 30 into cos 60, value of cos 60 half, cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2, 2 for 8, 8 into 2, 16. So our answer will be root 3 by 16. What will be value of sin 10, sin 50 degree, sin 70 degree? Now A equals to 10, it is of the form sin A, sin 60 plus A, sin 60 minus A. So this will be 1 by 4 sin 3A, A means 10, sin 30 half multiplied by 1 by 4, this will be equal to 1 by 8. So remember this formula, sin A, sin 60 plus A, sin 60 minus A equal to 1 by 4 sin 3A. Don't need to derive it. Sin A, sin 60 plus A, sin 60 minus A. Similarly for cos A, cos 60 plus A, cos 60 minus A equal to 1 by 4 cos 3A. Now for tan A into tan 60 plus A into tan 60 minus A equals to tan of 3A. Only tan of 3A. So what will be value of tan 20, tan 40, tan 60, tan 80? Write it as tan 20, tan 40, tan 80 into tan of 60. For first three terms we have formula, if we replace A by 20 we will have tan 20, tan 80, tan 40, which is nothing but tan 3A. So we can put tan of 3A, A means 20, tan 60 into tan 60, tan 60 root 3 into root 3, 3. So our answer will be 3. Next tricks. If 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B equals to 2, both A and B acute angle, then A plus B will be equal to 45 degree or pi by 4. How will you prove it? If we open the bracket, we will get 1 plus tan A plus tan B plus tan A tan B, tan A tan B equals to 2, or tan A plus tan B equals to 2 minus 1 1 minus tan A tan B tan A tan B or tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B equals to 1. This is tan of A plus B. So tan of A plus B equals to 1 means tan 45 degree. So A plus B equals to 45 degree. So very important tricks. When it will be given 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B equals to 2, then we can conclude A plus B equals to 45 degree. Recently, Railway has asked several questions on this type. Even SSC CGL, they are asking this type of questions. Suppose it is given 1 plus tan 3A into 1 plus tan 2A equals to 2. What will be value of cos 5A? Find value of cos 5A. Given 1 plus tan 3A into 1 plus tan 2A equals to 2. Find cos 5A. Now we have formula. Whenever 1 plus tan something into 1 plus tan something equals to 2, then sum of these two angles 3A plus 2A should be equal to A plus B should be equal to 45 degree. Here A means 3A, B means 2A. So applying this formula, A plus B equals to 45 degree or 5A equals to 45 degree. 5A equals to 45 degree. We need cos 5A. So cos 5A equals to cos 45 degree. Cos 45 degree equals to 1 by root 2. Let us try another one. So 1 minus tan 3A into 1 plus tan 5A equals to 2. Equals to 2. What will be value of sin 4A? Value of sin 4A. Now write it as, we can write it as 1 plus tan of minus 3A into 1 plus tan 5A equals to 2. Now compare it to the given form. If we compare it to the given form, we will have A equals to minus 3A and B equals to 5A. So minus 3A, here A means minus 3A, B means 5A. So A plus B, A means minus 3A, B means 5A. So we have A plus B equals to 45 degree. So 5A minus 3A equals to 45 or 2A equals to 45 degree. So 4A equals to 90 degree. Therefore sine of 4A equal to sine 90. Sine 90 equals to 1. So value of sine 4A equals to 1. Another trick. Suppose we need sine 20 plus sine 340. What will be its value? Remember, sine theta plus sine 360 minus theta. Sine theta plus sine 360 minus theta, always 0. If we put theta equals to 20, 360 minus 20, sine 340. By this formula, this will be 0. So value of it 0. How will you prove it? We know sine 360 minus theta means sine 4 into 90 minus theta. 4 into 90 minus theta, house of all sine tan cos. It is house of cos. but this is sine. So this will be minus sine theta. Sine theta minus sine theta cancel each other. So this will be equal to 0. So sine theta plus sine 360 minus theta always 0. Compare it to the given form, then we can easily say this equal to 0. Similarly, suppose sine 50 plus sine 310. What will be its value? Replace theta by 50. Sine 50 plus 360 minus 50, 310. So this will be also 0. Let us try another one. What will be minimum and maximum value of sin square theta cos square theta? Number 2, sin to the power 4 theta cos to the power 4 theta. Number 3, sin to the power 6 theta cos to the power 6 theta. What will be minimum and maximum value? We know sin theta less than equal to 1. So sin square theta between sin square theta and sin 4 theta, which one is greater? Sin square theta and sin 4 theta, which one will be greater? Sin square theta will be greater. So sin 4 theta less than equal to sin square theta. As sin theta less than equal to 1, so sin square theta will be more than sin 4 theta. Suppose a equal to half, then a square equal to 1 by 4, a cube equal to 1 by 8. Which one is greater? A is greater. So a greater than a square, greater than a cube. Similarly sin square theta will be greater than sin 4 theta. Now cos 4 theta greater than equal to cos square theta. So sin 4 theta plus cos 4 theta less than equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is equal to 1. So number 4, sin 4 theta plus cos 4 theta, or sin 6 theta plus cos 6 theta, or sin to the power 8 theta plus cos to the power 8 theta. For this type of problems, maximum value always 1. Maximum value 1. Suppose you are asked what will be maximum value of sin 4 theta plus cos 4 theta. Sin 4 theta plus cos 4 theta less than equal to 1. Similarly, sin 6 theta plus cos 6 theta also less than equal to 1. Sin 8 theta plus cos 8 theta also less than equal to 1. So in each case maximum value 1. Now we have to find maximum and minimum value for these two cases, these three cases. So between sin square theta and sin 4 theta, which one is greater? Sin square theta greater. Between sin square theta and sin theta, which one is greater? Sin theta is greater. Between sin theta and sin square theta, sin theta greater than equal to sin square theta. As sin theta less than 1. Now if sin to the power 2n theta cos sin to the power 2n theta cos 2n theta, its maximum value, what will be its maximum value and what will be its minimum value? Minimum value of these will be 1 by this will be 0, and sin to the power 2n plus 1 theta cos 2n plus 1 theta, minimum value will be 1 by 2 to the power n minus 1. Why? Suppose we are taking this number 1, sin square theta cos square theta equal to 1 by 4 sin square theta cos square theta, 2 sin theta cos theta whole square equal to 1 by 4 sin square 2 theta. Now being a square, its minimum value will be 0. Sin square 2 theta always positive, so its minimum value will be 0, but maximum value will be 1, so its maximum value will be 1 by 4. Similarly, we can say it is minimum value. So minimum, if power of sin theta and cos theta be even, then for this type of problems minimum value will always 0. This is also power even 6 6, so minimum value 0, 4 4 minimum value 0, 2 2 minimum value 0, as sin square always positive and its minimum value 0. Range of sin square theta or 2 theta or 4 theta, whatever it may be, range 0 to 1. That is why its minimum value 0. Half into 1 by 4 into 0 equal to 0. That is why if sin theta cos theta, power of sin theta cos theta both even and equal, then minimum value will be 0. Similarly, we can say minimum value of sin 8 theta cos power 8 theta also 0. Now its maximum value 1, so maximum value will be 1 by 4. So maximum value will be, this is minimum, and maximum for this type, maximum will be 1 by 2 to the power n. So what will be its maximum value? Now n means 4, so maximum value will be 1 by 2 to the power 4 equal to 1 by 6. For case 1, this is for case 2. For case 2, n equal to 2, so maximum value will be 1 by 2 square, 1 by 4. For this 2n equal to 6, n equal to 3, so maximum value will be 1 by 2 cube equal to 1 by 8. So if problems be of the type sin 2n theta, sin power 2n theta, cos power 2n theta, then minimum value will be 0, but maximum value will be 1 by 2n. Now what will be minimum and maximum value when power odd? So 2n plus 1 theta cos 2n plus 1 theta, its minimum value will be 1 minus 1 by 2n. It is minimum value, and maximum value will be 1 by 2 to the power n. Same. If power be even or odd, in both cases maximum value will be 1 by 2n. But in this case minimum value 0. In this case minimum value minus 1 by 2n. How will you prove it? Take n equals to 3, sin 3 theta cos 3 theta. We can write it as 1 by 2 cube, 1 by 2 cube, 2 sin theta, sin cube 2 theta, sin cube 2 theta. Now maximum value of sin 2 theta 1, so its maximum value 1 by 2 cube. But minimum value of this minus 1, sin 2 theta greater than equal to minus 1 less than equal to 1. So minimum value will be minus 1. So minus 1 by 2 cube. That is why its minimum value minus 1 by 2 to the power n. So what will be minimum value of sin 5 theta cos 5 theta? Say minimum and maximum. What will be minimum value? Minus 1 by 2 power 5 minus 1 by 32. What will be maximum value? 1 by 2 power n, 1 by 2 power n, 1 by 35. So 1 by 35 will be maximum value and minus 1 by 32 will be minimum value. So our formula will be sin power 2n plus 1 theta, cos power 2n plus 1 theta, sin power 2n theta, cos power 2n theta. In both cases maximum value will be same, and that is equal to 1 by 2n, but for odd one minimum value will be minus 1 power 2 power n, and for even minimum value will be 0. Sin 4 theta plus cos 4 theta, maximum value 1. What will be its minimum value? Find its minimum value. In that case, write it as sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. This equal to 1. So 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. So its maximum value will be, if this part be 0, so 1 minus 0 equal to 1. That is why its maximum value 1. This will take maximum when this part vanishes. So its maximum value will be 1 minus 0 equal to 1. That is why maximum value of this equal to 1. Now minimum value, this will be minimum when it be maximum. Therefore minimum value, write it as 1 minus 2 by 4 sine square 2 theta. Now 1 minus half sine square 2 theta. So minimum value will be when sine 2 theta become maximum and its maximum value 1. So minimum value will be 1 minus half equal to half. So this is minimum value. This will take minimum when this be maximum. Maximum value of sine or cos always 1. So that is why its minimum value will be 1 minus half into 1 equal to half. Take another one, sine 6 theta plus 6 theta plus cos 6 theta. Maximum, easily we can say 1. For these three types, maximum value always 1. Now what will be minimum value? We can write, we can express it like this, sine square theta plus cos square theta whole cube, a plus b whole cube minus thrice ab into a plus b into a plus b, sine square theta plus cos square theta. This equal to 1, 1 minus 3 sine square theta cos square theta. 3 by 4 sine square 2 theta. Now this will take maximum value if this be equal to 0. That is why its maximum value 1. Now it will be minimum when this equal to maximum value of sine 2 theta 1. So minimum value will be 1 minus 3 by 4 equal to 1 by 4. So minimum 1 by 4. Next one, a sin theta plus b cos theta plus c, its maximum value and minimum value. Maximum value a square plus b square plus c, minimum value a square plus b square minus under root a square plus b square plus c. How will you prove it? Let a equals to r cos alpha, b equals to r sin alpha. Then this will be reduced to r sin of theta plus alpha plus c. Maximum value of sin 1, so maximum value c plus r. This is maximum. Now r equal to, squaring and adding, we will have r equal to root under root a square plus b square, c plus under root a square plus b square. That is why its maximum value this. Now minimum of it minus 1, so minimum will be, this is maximum, and minimum will be c minus r equal to c minus a square plus b square. This is our desired result. Now take one example. 5 cos theta plus 12 sin theta minus 14. Find its maximum value and minimum value. We have formula, maximum of it will be under root 5 square plus 12 square minus 14. This is nothing but 13. 13 minus 14 equal to minus 1. So maximum value minus 1. Minimum minus of under root 5 square plus 12 square minus 14 equal to minus 13 minus 14 equal to minus 27. So its minimum value minus 27, maximum value minus 1. Thank you for being with me.